Today I will be revealing some of the best items that you should buy in Alien Worlds to farm NFTs. And let's face it now, NFTs has been pretty much popular lately. And as you can see here, every NFT is really pricey. There's around $70. There's around $7 and $14, and I'm gonna teach you how to farm that. Okay, so jumping right into it. Okay, there is a site that I'm using. It is called necogamer.com/aw/builder. And what it does is this. Okay, you select a land, you select a tool, every tools that you have, you set it, you calculate and add it to comparison table. And here is my recommendation if you want to farm NFTs. And this is pretty much the accurate data that you can get, and you can base on if you really want to start farming NFTs, because it's really hard to farm NFTs right now because the drop rates are pretty much lower unlike before. And so the top of the list here is this one. Okay, is this a barrel digger with two times large capacitor. Okay, so this two times large capacitor gives you around 72 minutes charge. So you'll just mine every one hour. Okay, you also have a 75% mining power, so you're going to get, you have a chance of around 10.40%. And ideally it's really best to um, to have a higher chance of NFTs. And it's also good to have a land that is pretty much low recharge time. And besides the low recharge time, you also get some TLM as well. Okay, so um, the next one is this two large capacitors with Arturian shovel. It gives almost the same. Okay, in TLM. It also gives an NFT, which is pretty much lower. Okay, but because the prices of barrel digger and shovels are um, pretty much far, I would recommend, if you have a budget, just go with this setup right here, um, which is land again, geothermal springs, Gasrigged extractor, large capacitor, basic explosive. Especially basic explosive is pretty much cheap, and buying this Gasrigged extractor is more like buying like two times of this one. Okay, so I would recommend you to do this as well. If you really don't have any budget, you can choose to buy this one, basic explosive and then large capacitor. It still gives a decent amount of NFTs. Okay, but I would suggest, if you have a budget, go with this one. Okay, with two times large capacitor and Arturian shovel. Okay, and if you really want just to occasionally farm NFTs and gain really a TLM in part of it, you can try three times standard drills. It gives around 1.6 mining power, mining TLM per minute, which is significantly higher than any of those four of these build sets. Okay, and as you can see here, let's take a look on what is the current price of each item. Okay, so uh, let's go in the atomic hub. Let's find it. Okay, as you can see here, there's around 165.42. However, if you you can also uh, choose to mine Draxos axe. I think that's also a good alternative into this one. because this gives a lower recharge time. Okay, so calculate. Yeah, you also get how much of it? 9.60 NFT per which is pretty much the same here. And the time that you just need is around 13 minutes. So you can do probably like um, five mines, 5 to 6 mines per hour. Okay, and having this kind of percentage, it really gives you a lot of chance to get more of NFTs. This one is pretty much good because it gives a decent amount of TLM and also gives amount of NFT as well. And the charge time is around 72 uh, minutes. So if you're pretty much like working, I would recommend this one. If you're pretty much like more like you don't have any stuff or at all, um, you can choose to mine this Draxos axe. And I think that's it for this video. This is the six builds that you can mine. And yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, uh, please do message me on the description box below. And currently I'm mining around 3 times exogloves because I'm focusing more of TLM than NFTs, because it's really hard to compete as well into the NFT as well, because there's more people that are trying to mine NFTs than TLM. So I hope this video gives you an idea on what kind of item that you will buy, and see you on the next one.